In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall any game on your Android device. So to uninstall any game, press and hold that game. Then click on App Info. Now you will see option uninstall. So just click on uninstall. If you are sure, so click on OK to uninstall. Now that game will be uninstalled. And another option, open Play Store. Now click on these lines for menu. In here click on My Apps and Games. Now click on Installed. So you will find a list of games. If you want to uninstall any game, so click on it. Here you will find option uninstall. Click on uninstall. That's it. So hopefully friends, by this easy and simple method we can uninstall any game on Android device. Thanks for watching.